founder and managing director of CR Forex. In today's presentation, we are going to discuss on what is the outlook for dollar rupee pair for the coming week, strategy for thin and thick margin exporter, strategy for importers. As discussed in the last week video, that there is a 60 to 65% probability that market would accept Fed statement and enter into a consolidation phase where rupee will trade between 73.5 level to 74.5 level, and exactly the same has happened. Market has entered into a consolidation phase. In coming weeks, we expect two things to happen. Consolidation phase in USD INR pair to continue before breaking 74.40 levels. Second, we expect volatility and reduction in forward premiums in coming week. For the coming weeks, as market has entered into a consolidation phase, we expect dollar rupee pair to trade between 73.60 to 74.5 level. However, because of quarter ending, we may see some flows coming in, which may take the pair towards 73.5 to 73.60 levels. But that will act as a strong support for the pair, and importers should definitely buy at those levels. However, saying that, the bigger and the overall trend of the dollar rupee pair is that it will move towards 75 to 75.5 level in coming months because of rising crude oil price, weaker Indian fundamentals, and stronger DXY. As RBI have forward book of $55 to $60 billion, and from last 2 months they have not been rolling over their forward. So if they continue to do so in June end, we expect some kind of volatility in forward premiums, and ideally forward premiums should come down. Now, what should be the strategy for importers and exporters for coming week? Thin margin exporters like chemical or agri exporters who have taken order at 74 costing, we advise them to cover on a back-to-back basis between 74.10 to 74.40 levels, as far as dollar rupee pair is not breaking a key resistance of 74.40 levels. For any open orders, they can keep a strict stop loss of 74.05 levels. Thick margin exporters like textile or pharma exporters, we are advising them to cover 45 to 50% of their exposure, as dollar rupee pair has entered into a consolidation phase. Specifically for thick margin exporters, we are advising them to book long-term premiums, as premiums are expected to fall further in long term. Currently, 3-month premium is trading at 3.8% and 1-year premium is trading at 4.4%. For importers, those who have not covered at lower levels, they can wait with a strict stop loss of 74.40 levels. Because of quarter end flows, they may get an opportunity to buy between 73.5 to 73.70 levels. In the end, I would like to end with a note: take very good care of yourself. Jai Hind, Namaskar, फिर मिलेंगे.